Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will explain how to enter the Hisense TV service menu step by step. I will share working service menu codes for different Hisense TV models. I will also explain how to exit the service menu safely. Finally, I will show you how to turn off hotel or hospital mode properly. First, make sure the Hisense TV is completely powered off and in standby mode. Second, use only the original Hisense infrared remote. Smart remotes or Bluetooth remotes usually do not work for service menu access. Always take photos of the original settings before changing anything. Step 1. Hisense TV service menu codes. Now I will explain the service menu access methods one by one. Method 1. Standard service menu access for most models. Keep the TV powered off. Press menu 119 power in sequence. The TV will turn on directly into the service menu. This method works on many Hisense LED, LCD, and Smart TV models. Method 2, alternate code for some models. Keep the TV powered off. Press mute menu 119, power in sequence. This method works on some older Hisense models. Method 3, access for newer models. Turn the TV on normally. Press menu 119, then press enter. Restart the TV to enter the service menu. If one code does not work, try the other methods patiently. Step 2. Important features inside the service menu. You will see many advanced options inside the menu. You can check panel information and panel type. You can find white balance and gamma calibration settings. You can control hotel or hospitality mode settings. You can also check firmware version and model information. Never change panel type or model name unless you are completely sure. Wrong changes can permanently damage the TV. Step 3. How to exit the service menu safely. Press the power button on the remote once. Let the TV shut down normally. Wait for 10 seconds. Turn the TV on again. This helps the TV restart without software problems. If this video helped you solve your Hisense TV problem, give this video a like. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV solutions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.